Do you know you can still create AI videos for free? In case you don't know, let me show you a new AI platform, a website you can use, an app that you can use to generate videos for free. You don't need to pay, you don't need credit, you don't need anything to start creating videos with this AI tool. Let's get started. AI tool we'll be using for today. This is the AI. Just go to your browser where you are browsing on your phone. Just go and search for $AI. As you can see, this is the name of the AI tool. Now, when you search for it, you just click on it and it's going to open. So if you have not opened account with them before, you have to create a new account. And after you create a new account, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So when it brings you to an interface like this, when you look here below, you're going to see where you can upload photos. You can just type what you want and the AI is going to start doing it for you. And you can also download the app from here. As you can see, download up here, you can download the app from here, or you can go to Google Play Store, Apple Store and download the app. Now, when you click on FAT here, you can see where they say FAT, Pro, and now we are on Fast. So if you want it for Pro version, you can put it on Pro version, but you are going to pay for that. Now you click on More. When you click on More, this is where you are going to see if you want to create image, you want to write something, you want to create video, you want to translate, homework, you need get homework, or you have homework you want to do, you can also do it here. Now let's click on create image, and let's create image. Now after we create image, we are going to turn that image to video. Now as you can see, create image. If you have reference image you want to upload, you can click it here. Your aspect ratio, you can select it here. As you can see, aspect ratio below here, this is where you can select aspect ratio. So now let's put it on something like 16.9 ratio 16. After putting it on 9 ratio 16, then we don't have any reference image. We are creating a new image. So let's create a new image. Let me say create image of a man and his wife sitting in a car in the street of Lagos, Nigeria. So I click on generate. Let's click on generate. Let's click on generate and it will start generating the image for us. Now, as you can see, it's creating the image right now. Now, as you can see, it's creating the image. So it's creating different images. As you can see, the front, the side, the back, or as you can see, different images. Create different image, 4 different image. So we can decide to choose anyone. So anyone you like among of these two, you can download them. So let's download this first one. Let's download this first one and use it as an our example. You are going to see when you tap on it, you are going to see where they say download. As you can see, the download here. Just click on download. Now it's downloading up here. As you can see, downloading. It's downloading up here. So let's allow it to download. And after it download, I'm going to convert it to video. As you can see, download. So if you want to, as you can see now, it has download. So I want us to use that image as a video. Now if you want to use that image as your video, just click on this create image, you click on it and you cancel it. Now when you cancel it, we are going back and we are going to click on more again. Then when you click on more, this time we are bringing it to video, create video. Now we bring it to create video. It's going to change this interface here. It's going to change to video, and when you change to video, it's also going to say we should upload our image or upload or use a prompt. You can do text to video or you can upload the image. Now it has changed. So now it has come to video. So I want us to use the same prompt we used the other time, that prompt, and do text to video. Then after we do text to video, I will also do image to video by uploading this image we just download. Now let me paste that prompt because I copied the prompt. Now this is the prompt here. As you can see, this is the prompt here. So I'm going to change this place, this image to video. So I'll say create a video of a man and his wife sitting in a car in the streets of Lagos, Nigeria. The same prompt. Then I'll click on generate here. Now after clicking on generate, it's generating the video. Now as you can see, generating a video of a man and his wife sitting on a car in the street of Lagos. The video will be generated using Dreamina Seasons 2.0 model. It will be using 2 point, will be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. So we should give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video. So let's give it some minutes. So let's allow it to complete generate the video. Now that is the video you just watch right now. That is the final result of the video you just watch right now. Now you have seen everything, how you are going to use the AI tool to create videos for yourself for free without subscribing, without anything. See you guys on our next video.